Hey! I'm endorsing a new cola, kids! And this one isn't poisonous to anybody!
That we know of.
New and improved Buzz Cola is made from only the finest sugars and waters. Plus, it has a special ingredient, too hot for the FDA. It'll give you the get up and go you need to do all the pathetic stuff you have to do. Try new improved Buzz Cola.
Cola. Must get Buzz Cola.
Children weren't meant to get this much exercise. This is gonna hurt. Oh, this is too cool for school. Oh, awesome, man. That was the best ride.
Hi, Mr. Lisa. If you win, the man ladies will give you a car.
Bring it.
One, go!
Eat my dust, dust eaters. Oh, bull bump. Yeah, I totally rule. Lousy laws of physics. That was totally awesome. Mine, all mine. And the crowd goes wild. It's time for some road rage, Bart Simpson style. Nelson, why are you hanging around here?
Stupid community service. I dipped Martin in the salsa quickie mart. Anyway, get your license and you get some stupid prize from those jerks. 3, 2, psych! 1.
Great, now I'm losing. What's my name? Booyah! Don't forget to ride. Whoa, wicked!
Atta boy, Bart. You're getting a birthday present this year.
Just give me a sec to catch my breath.
Yeah, you're gonna buy a car?
Full speed ahead! Oops. I didn't do it. Eat asphalt eaters.
Excuse me, have you seen a hovering death machine?
No.
Oh, this was to be my greatest invention since sideburns in a can. They make you handsome and lovely. I call it the Hovercar, TM, so don't try to steal the name, it's TM'd. I installed the onboard computer, and it came alive and attacked my person. For the love of all that's gliding, you gotta help me here.
Easy peasy. You got it. Time to lay some rubber down. Take that! I'm so sick of this happening. Cowabunga, dude! That's totally awesome! Jump to light speed! Alright, that was so cool! Oh, this is too cool for school!
Well done, my little sociopath.
I like to smash.
Look, if you need a ride, instant message my Cortex, by which I mean, call me.
Alright, that was so cool! Hello, drivers. Got a little situation here.
I'll be right over, but only if I can try out this new mystery ray on you. It'll either turn you into a chicken or create a tickling sensation.
Bart Simpson at your service.
Control limited.
Whoa, wicked! Why do these stupid things make me feel so good? I don't remember these being here before. Whoa, got him! Woo, nice one!
How'd you like a newspaper?
Help! It's not good.
Watch it, buddy.
I don't remember these being here before.
Hey, watch it, watch it.
No worries. It's all good. I am the king!
Oh, that was right into well. These objects must be part flubber.
Gimme! I just know I'm gonna be blamed for this.
Oh, good lord.
Whee!
Observe! Gravity in action. No, not my pants, over here. That hurt because I didn't have a good... Ow!
Millhouse, what are you doing here? I thought you had a 4 o'clock wedgie with Nelson. I rescheduled. The DMV has us all doing these stupid races. This state should get some child labor laws. 3, 2, 1!
Next time you stay at our place, you can have the steamed vegetable of your choice.
Oh yeah, I totally rule. Energy depleting, need sugar. Let's roll! Attention cars, 10-year-old hitchhiker needs a ride. Sweet. All for Bart! tired. So very tired. If I didn't play so many video games, I'd be in better shape. All right! Woo-hoo! Mine! All mine! Hey, buddy, how's it hanging?
All right, don't... Roach bigger than my fist inside the pickled egg jar.
Breaker, this is Bart Simpson requesting one pimp ride ASAP.
My matter transporter is currently covered in monkey flesh, a horrible accident, so I'll just meet you in my car. Hey, those monkeys are in bad shape.
This must be worth a fortune!
Oh, dear!
Now I'm blind.
Charlie horse! Charlie horse! You're all mine!
Ow, with the herd thing!
walk off my gut. I'll never lose these love handles. Children weren't meant to get this much exercise. Collecting these is much better than learning. I don't remember these being here before.
Whoa, I'm getting dizzy.
Oh, that was the coolest! Finally, my years of ballet are paying off. It's like a game within a game. Nice driving, man.
Whoa, it's cold in here. I need to move to a duck.
Fine, you worthless hunk of junk.
Oh yeah, baby, bring it on. Oh, awesome, man. That was the best ride ever. It's part time! Gimme, gimme, gimme! Boing! Just give me a sec to catch my breath. Hey, Kearney, I need to do a lot of collateral damage in the minimum amount of time.
I've got just the thing. I've got a car that was owned by a supervillain. He used it to conquer the East Coast.
Energy depleting. Need sugar. You're all mine. Eat my dust, dust eaters. It's time for some road rage, Bart Simpson style. Oh, that was the coolest. Must collect more. All for Bart! Oh, this is too cool for school. So tired. So very tired. Woo, nice one. Whoa, wicked! Mine, all mine! Fine by me. Eat my dust, dust eaters. It's time for some road rage, Bart Simpson style.
Hey, eyes on the road.
That was totally awesome. My name is Bart.
What the heck were you thinking?
Whoa, wicked! Woo, nice one. If I didn't play so many video games, I'd be in better shape. No problemo. Before. All right. Give it up for America's bad boy. You got it. That was totally awesome. Woo, nice one. Bart Simpson at your service. Whoa, wicked!
Scared, disoriented.
That was totally awesome. Whoa, wicked! Oh man, this sucks. Fine by me. No problemo. Hurts.
You just gotta help old Gil out.
Let's hit the town.
The wolf is at old Gil's door.
I gotta work off my gut.